So one of the cool things about doing these reviews is being given the opportunity to go through some truly outstanding RVs. Today, I am honored to walk you through Keystone's fantastic line of Montana fifth wheels. I love them. So let's get to the floor plans. The Keystone Montana comes in a wide variety of floor plans. These fifth wheels are easy to tow, but do need a heavy-duty truck to move them to where you want to head for your adventures, camps, vacations, whatever. In terms of length, the Montana stretches from 35 feet all the way up to just over 41 feet. As far as unloaded weight, you'll see Montanas tipping the scales from 12,000 pounds up to just a hair over 14,000 pounds. Before I dig into some of the individual floor plans, let's take a gander at what they all have in common. Now, besides a wealth of interior space via multiple slide outs, every Montana has a walk-around queen bed in its own slide out, a large 30-inch by 48-inch residential shower, and are prepped for a washer and dryer. Oh, and one additional item to note about the Montana line, each one has a twin sister, so to speak. The ones with an additional 1 in the model name simply mean they have a bigger fridge. All of the first set will have an 18 cubic foot fridge, which is huge, but the +1 models will have a French door residential refrigerator with an ice maker. Crazy but true. Okay, so most of the Montana floor plans are rear living models, but before we get to those, I'm going to walk you through some select models first. Let's hit the family-friendly 3854, 3855 BR. For all intents and purposes, this is a bunkhouse as it has a queen loft bunk area above a private middle room. Inside this room is a large desk, as well as a hide-a-bed sofa sitting in a slide-out. In the rear of this model, you'll find another hide-a-bed sofa against the back wall and a wide-open living space courtesy of opposing slide-outs. One slide pulls out the power theater seats and freestanding dinette, while the opposite slide contains the kitchen appliances. Wide full-length pantry, and of course that entertainment center with its HD TV and fireplace. This space enables the 3854 and its twin to have a large kitchen island. This is also the only Montana with an outdoor kitchen. The 3854, 3855 BR can easily sleep up to 8 campers. Next up, the 3760, 3761 FL, one of the most popular floor plans in the Montana line. This model is the only true front living floor plan, but it also comes with a bath and a half, with the half bath located in the living area. This living area has opposing slide outs, pulling out the major kitchen appliances on one side, the freestanding dinette on the other. A large pantry and island complete the kitchen area. You'll find a spacious den-style front complete with opposing hide-a-bed sofas, power theater seats, plus a cap filled with a large entertainment center with a telescoping HD TV and fireplace. In the back, there's a bedroom suite with a massive bathroom against the rear wall with a barn door enclosure. The 3760, 3761 FL can comfortably sleep up to 6. Now we move up to the 3740, 3741 FK. Isn't this a front living model? Sure, but it's an FK, hence front kitchen. And man, does it bring everything your camp-loving cook wants and more. A deep counter and double bowl sink sit in their own slide-out, with an opposing slide-out holding the range and a pull-out counter. You'll also find a pull-out pantry and even more countertop space. The front cap is dominated by a large U-shaped dinette. The middle living space is sunken, as there are steps leading from the kitchen and another set to the bedroom. This living area has the opposing hide-a-bed sofas, power theater seats, and an entertainment center complete with HD TV and, you guessed it, fireplace. In the rear, you'll find the massive master bedroom enclosed by a barn door. These models are capable of hosting 6 snoozers. Sticking with the camp cook comfort, we come to the 3700, 3701 LK. This is a rear kitchen model where the LK should stand for long kitchen. The kitchen counter running up the side is longer than most New York City studio apartments. To make the kitchen even bigger, the freestanding dinette sits in a slide out. Moving into the living area, you'll enjoy the den coziness of a pair of hide-a-bed sofas on opposing slide outs, along with the power theater seats sitting across from the entertainment center with its HD TV and fireplace. Up front, you'll find the impressive bathroom along with the large master bedroom. Now, as far as sleeping quarters, you'll find room for 6 tired campers. Now on to the Montana rear living models. We're going to take our tour through these by length, starting with the shortest one, the 3120-3121 RL. Short, of course, is actually selling this model short, as it's still an impressive 35 feet in length. In the rear living space, you'll find a huge hide-to-bed sofa commanding the back wall. To open up the space, there are large opposing slide-outs. One slide-out pulls out the power theater seats and freestanding dinette, while the other contains the major kitchen appliances, counter space, and the HD TV center with fireplace. You'll also find a kitchen island, full-size pantry, and a unique coffee station. Up front, there's the Montana standard big bathroom and large bedroom. As with all of the classic rear living models, the 3120-3121 RL can comfortably sleep 4 adults. The next Montana is available in limited supply, the 3560-3561 RL. This is one I like to call the work from the road model. In the living area, you'll find an executive desk in a slide out with a telescoping HD TV. Across from the desk sits power theater seats in their own slide out. The back wall is dominated by a large hide-to-bed sofa. The kitchen is abundant with its appliances in a slide out across from another slide out containing the freestanding dinette. Finishing off the kitchen is a full-length pantry, coffee station, and an island. Up front, you'll find the bathroom with its pivot hinge door and the impressively large bedroom. Up next, I got the 3780-3781 RL. This model takes its 41 feet in length and really stretches out the living area. You'll find the hide-to-bed sofa taking up the entire back wall and a huge kitchen island right there in the middle. Opposing slide-outs dramatically open everything up with the freestanding dinette and power theater seats in one slide-out. Across from the theater seats sits an HD TV and fireplace. Now this sits in the opposing slide-out, a massive one containing the kitchen appliances as well as a long counter. Up front, you'll find the bathroom with double vanity sinks and a wrinkle in the master bedroom. The bed is now on the camp side, and an additional slide out pulls out the large dresser with overhead cabinets and HD TV. So what's next? The popular 3790-3791 RD. RD stands for rear den, and this model has got a sweet one. You'll find opposing hide-to-bed sofas as well as power theater seats across from an entertainment center commanding the entire rear wall with its storage, telescoping HD TV, and fireplace. Down the steps, we arrive into the sunken kitchen. The opposing slide-outs pull out the freestanding dinette and kitchen appliances. Adding to the kitchen area are an island, full-length pantry, and coffee station with additional countertop space. Up the steps, you'll find the bathroom with its pocket door enclosure, and beyond that, the master bedroom with its large wardrobe closet in the cap and a barn door enclosure. Due to the additional hide-to-bed sofa, the 3790-3791 RD can sleep up to 6. The 3810-3811 MS is up next. This limited availability model is your classic rear living layout. You'll find the hide-to-bed sofa against the back wall, kitchen island and opposing slide-outs. One slide pulls out the power theater seats and freestanding dinette, while the other takes out the HD TV, fireplace, full-length pantry, some counter space, and the kitchen appliances. You find a really nice sized hutch nestled against an interior wall. Up front, the bed sits in a massive slide out, along with the washer dryer prep area and bathroom sink with medicine cabinet. The bathroom is a walkthrough with a pivot hinge door. A sliding door grants access to the master bedroom with its walk-in closet. The bedroom also has a unique window lounging area right there in the cap. So up next, you're going to find the 3812-3813 MS. This layout has similar characteristics to other Montana rear living layouts. You'll find the opposing slide outs in the living area, allowing for a ton of space to move around. Power theater seats and freestanding dinette sit in one, while the kitchen appliances, some counter space, a full-length pantry, and the entertainment center with that HD TV and fireplace sit in the other. The hide-to-bed sofa commands the rear wall. A convenient kitchen island sits in the middle, and a sweet hutch caps off the living area. The bathroom is walk-through with sliding door access to the master bedroom. The bathroom's vanity sink is in a slide-out, sharing it with the washer-dryer prep and queen bed. You'll also find more closet space than a one-bedroom condo. Now there's a walk-in closet next to the bathroom, plus a massive wardrobe closet commanding the front cab. Our final Montana fifth wheel floor plan is the 3930-3931 FB. The longest Montana, this model stretches out to just over 41 feet. The back end is fairly typical, with the hide-a-bed sofa on the rear wall and a kitchen island right there in the middle. Opposing slides pull out the power theater seats and freestanding dinette on one side, the HD TV, fireplace, full-length pantry, and kitchen appliances on the other. You'll find a coffee station with more counter space, and the washer-dryer prep has been moved into the living area. With its length, the 3930-3931 FB adds a half bath to the living area and an eye-popping huge full bath up front. In this full bath, you'll find a deep and wide wardrobe closet, storage shelves, a bench seat, the residential size shower, double vanity sinks, and a barn door enclosure. The solid bedroom door past the walk-around queen bed creates one of the largest master suites you're ever going to find in any fifth wheel. Now, the Montana line certainly doesn't stop with just good-looking, functional floor plans. So let's take a look at some of the fabulous features. In a Montana living area, you'll get home-style benefits such as Thomas Paine Collection tri-fold hide-a-bed sofa and theater seating with electric recliners, massage and seat warmers, flush-mounted LED lights with LED dimmer switches in select areas, and a central vacuum system. Your camp cook will be happy with the kitchen with its deep 60/40 stainless steel sink, high-rise faucet, and integrated pull-out sprayer, solid surface kitchen countertops, pop-up electrical and USB outlets tower, and let's not forget the French door residential refrigerator with ice maker in the +1s and an 18 cubic foot RV fridge in the others. The Montana bathrooms come with a stainless steel vanity sink and a 48x30 seamless fiberglass shower. We certainly can't forget about the entertainment. Every Montana comes with a Jensen DVD, CD, MP3 entertainment system with Bluetooth, 50-inch HD LED TV in living area, 32-inch HD LED TV in bedroom, and an omnidirectional rooftop antenna with 4G LTE Wi-Fi prep. All TVs and rooftop antennas come with a very common residential living package. Let's take a look at the Montana exterior, designed for weekend RVers or the full-timer. Here you're going to find a 6-point hydraulic automatic leveling system, undermount spare tire and carrier, rear roof ladder, large drop frame pass-through storage compartment with motion sensor LED lights, more ride step above entry steps with strut assist, and a heated central exterior water and convenience center, including an outside shower with quick connect hose. And a quick note for y'all who plan on camping year-round, you got to check out the Montana's 4-season package that's tested and approved for 0-degree usage. Take comfort with the 35,000 BTU furnace, insulated and heated holding tanks and dump valves, 3-inch by 14-inch in-floor straight line heat duct system, insulated in-floor water lines, 15,000 BTU whisper quiet main AC and bedroom AC, and a 48-inch LED fireplace. Now, as far as options, Keystone Montanas are so loaded with standard features, the only option you have on the interior is a king-size bed upgrade. On the Montana exterior, you can add SolarFlex solar panel system, Onan Marquee Gold 5.5 kilowatt LP generator, and a few more items. Now, as far as construction, I mean, you can't really beat it, because for Montana, Keystone puts 2 things in mind for you regarding construction. That's comfort and peace of mind. Solidly built, you'll find comfort in the Montana's welded aluminum framed walls and floors, seamless 5/8-inch thick floor decking, laminated sidewalls with Luan and metal backing strips to anchor interior cabinets, double insulated laminated rear wall, and powder-coated 12-inch steel I-beam frame. Now, as far as peace of mind, you'll get the ease of working with wiring that's not only numbered, but color-coded. Beautiful, right? So why would you want anything else? If you want to camp in style, there's certainly a Keystone Montana that you'll absolutely love. Experienced RVers will appreciate the extras Montana provides. Those new to the RV life won't ever want to be in a campground without one. So when you're shopping for your fifth wheels, do yourself a favor. go check out the Keystone Montana and put it at the top of your list.